Hello viewers, you're welcome to chotv. We bring you the growing concern over the political situation in Rivers State. Prominent activist Annkio Briggs has voiced a strong condemnation of recent action taken by the federal government, alleging an attempt to undermine the state's autonomy. According to her, she said that the recent suspension of political appointees and statutory board in Rivers State has shown widespread condemnation. This is not a mere matter of political disagreement. It represents a calculated attempt by external forces to seize political and economic control of our state.
And anybody who thinks that this is just about two people, three people disagreeing on political power sharing or whatever, that is far from the truth. It's about a group of people who are Rivers indigents and a group of people who are not Rivers indigents outside of Rivers State wanting to take control of the political power and the economic power of Rivers State. And that will not happen.
Briggs specifically questioned the legality of the appointment of a sole administrator, arguing that it oversteps constitutional boundaries. In her own word, said that while the president holds constitutional rights, these rights do not extend to the removal of an elected governor and deputy. The actions of the sole administrator include the disregard for existing laws regarding local government elections and the removal of constitutionally appointed individuals are deeply troubling.
Since the sole administrator came in, it's been made very clear by people who have read law that the method, the order in which he came in is not known to the Constitution. It's not known to the Constitution because, yes, the president does have a right under the Constitution section 305, according to lawyers. But he does not have the right to remove an elected governor, his deputy. So there is something very sinister going on, that the president and people who are advising him are trying Rivers State as an entry point. The sole administrator, by taking these actions and by removing people who have been politically appointed by the political head of Rivers State, i.e. Governor Fubara and his deputy, what the sole administrator is doing by removing the people that he has a constitutional right to appoint is unacceptable, and he is overreaching what would be legally his position, because even the way he came and why he came is under dispute.
Now, Briggs also expressed concern over the alleged involvement of the president, warning of a dangerous precedent for Rivers State.
This is dangerous. We've been saying this, that it is dangerous for what Rivers people are doing to Rivers State. And it is even more dangerous that the president seems to be part of it. We're now hearing that the president allowed the suspension or announced the suspension to save the governor of Rivers State from impeachment. If you want to save the governor of Rivers State from impeachment, you will allow yourself to tell the truth to the people in your party, to tell them that they should cool down, that we all of us own this Rivers State, and a group of people cannot push everybody else aside and take control of Rivers.
The situation in Rivers State remains tense, with many calling for clarity and adherence to the rule of law. We will continue to follow this developing story and bring you updates as they become available. Stay tuned to chotv. See you in our next outing.